Hey, this is Pete. So we're about to go to the milk bar, Mrzgleni. I've learned Polish while I've been here, but we're going to the milk bar after this to get some authentic pierogis. I think, how much was it, Dom? 10 for two złota?
About $2 roughly.
2 US?
Yeah.
So 10 pierogis for, 6 złota. Excited to go to the milk bar, and we'll see you guys there.
Now we are officially on our way to the milk bar, and it's called a milk bar because they used to sell only dairy products there because it was so cheap, and it's pretty famous for the homeless and students. They sell pierogis and sauerkraut, all sorts of traditional Polish dishes at a very affordable price. And it's supposed to be very delicious. So we're on our way to get some pierogis. Really good? Yeah?
Really good.
All right. Is this cabbage? Spinach? We accidentally ordered 2. Okay, I'm gonna try the cabbage pierogi. Oh my god. It tastes just like sauerkraut inside of a pierogi. 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
Oh, it's really fast.
So Dominic's gonna try the spinach one. Yummy? Just wait till you try this one. So good, so good. Get the cabbage one. We are at a very popular spot here in Krakow called the Vodka Bar, or Vodka Bar, where there's all different kinds of vodka from Poland, and we're sampling 6 different kinds per couple. So we picked out Earl Grey, lemon, cranberry, raspberry, honey, and something else that Dominic got. So we will show you them when we get presented all 6 of our very tasty vodkas. This one is Earl Grey, cranberry, lemon, and then what's yours? Honey,
Krupnik,
and raspberry.
Got ginger, mint, dry walnut, chili chocolate,
bison grass, eggnog.
And eggnog. I also got a chili chocolate because I love chocolate, so. Zdrowia. This is the Earl Grey one.
I like that one a lot.
And it's sweet. I don't really taste the hint of Earl Grey, but it's really good. On to the next one. Which one are you gonna try now?
Sure, if we want to finish this one, yeah.
We'll try a new one. Krupnik. What is Krupnik?
Krupnik.
Krupnik.
I don't know, but it's good.
Krupnik?
It's kind of like a honey-ish. Syrupy, it's good.
Yeah, this is like
Cranberry vodka. This is good. It's not too sweet. It's like pretty smooth. I'm not even a vodka drinker because vodka doesn't like me, so maybe this pure vodka, not pure, but like real vodka will be good because I'm used to like Smirnoff American vodka, which is no bueno. So far so good. I'm only like 2 sips in though, so I'll see you guys in like 3 shots in. Oh, but I do want to try this one. This is chocolate chili. Chocolate chili shot. Oh my god. That tastes so good. Now I'm gonna try the traditional Polish bison vodka, or bison grass vodka. That would be gross if it was bison vodka. But my friends had it. It showed that they thought it was pretty strong, so I'm sure I'm just gonna take it. It's not as strong as I thought it was gonna be. It's got this
Is this yours?
weird flavor though. Hey guys, I'm actually back here in Belgrade. I totally forgot to close off the vlog in Poland. Sorry for that. I just want to say that I hope you guys liked the video and liked all the delicious foods that we tried there. The food was delicious. It was so comforting and so tasty, as well as the vodka. And yeah, so if you guys like what you see, be sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell if you want to be sure that you're notified anytime that I post another video. So until then, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!